Iran. Coronavirus death toll in 465 cities exceeds 169,100. Over 169,100 people have died of the novel coronavirus in 465 cities, checkered across all of Iran's 31 provinces, according to reports tallied by the Iranian opposition People's Mujahedin Organization of Iran as of Thursday afternoon local time. The official death toll declared by the regime stands at 46,689, nearly a fourth of the actual figure. The increasing number of people being hospitalized and losing their lives is concerning. It is very painful that COVID-19 is the main cause of death in the country and many of our provinces, said the Deputy Health Minister Iraj Harirchi on Thursday, according to the Tasnim news agency, an outlet linked to the regime's Revolutionary Guards Quds Force. We lost 42 of our patients and the total number of deaths in our province has reached 2,314. We had 2,297 patients hospitalized today, of which 386 are in ICUs, said the Deputy Dean of Fars Medical Sciences University on Wednesday, according to the state TV. Iran's regime continues to pressure university students. Iranian security forces arrested Tehran University anthropology student Elham Samimi on Monday. The security forces had previously inspected her home on October 16th and confiscated her personal belongings and those of her guests and relatives. In yet another case, Tehran University student activist Mohammad Shabahati was sentenced to 5 years in prison in absentia. He had not received any notices or summons and was not aware of the illegal proceedings against him. Around the same time, state security forces on November 15th raided the homes of Mojtaba Dadashi and his brother Morteza. The authorities confiscated the students' belongings, including their cell phones, laptops, and books. Morteza Dadashi is a graduate student of applied chemistry at Amir Kabir University of Technology, and Mojtaba Dadashi is a graduate student in international relations at Allame Tabatabai University. Branch 15 of the Revolutionary Court of Tehran sentenced student activist Soham Mortezai to 6 years in prison. She is charged with, quote, association and collusion against national security, end of quote. On April 10th, Iranian authorities arrested Ali Younesi and Amir Hossein Moradi, both award-winning students at Tehran's Sharif University of Technology. They have been kept in custody since without any announced charges. The students are under intense pressure to provide forced confessions. Protests and riot in 4 wards of Urumia prison in northwest Iran. According to reports from Urumia prison, hundreds of prisoners have been rioting in wards 1, 2, 3, and 4 of this prison since the morning of Wednesday, shattering the ward's windows and setting fire to blankets in the hall opposite the guard's room. The guard's desk was also set on fire. The riot was in protest to the beating of a prisoner named Hojjat Kazemnejad, as well as the lack of basic hygiene provisions in the face of coronavirus, the high cost of goods inside the prison, the authorities' refusal to release prisoners until the end of coronavirus pandemic, and maintaining prisoners behind bars after their term is over. On Wednesday morning, Hojjat Kazemnejad, a prisoner whose term ended 25 days ago, set himself on fire in front of the prison guard's room to protest his continued detention. However, the prison guards attacked and beat him while he suffered from burns. Last week, he had launched a hunger strike protesting his detention, but he was convinced to end this strike after promises of being released. Following the inmates' protest, prison guards closed the doors of other wards and banned any movement inside the wards. They then attacked the cells of protesting inmates and brutally beat the prisoners. As a result of this attack, at least 15 prisoners have been taken to hospital due to the severity of the beatings and their deteriorating conditions. Prison guards cut off all the prison's public telephones so that news of the riot could not be leaked out.